解讀心路歷程，品味經典旋律。
Could that be? Could that be China radio? I used to listen to China radio on 9.570. Oh, about a year and a half ago, and then shortwave conditions slowly went into the toilet, and I couldn't receive them at all. I'm receiving, and maybe it's not the transmitter in China, because they have transmitters throughout the world. But I'm receiving this station, and it does sound like they're talking Chinese, and it is the right frequency, and I checked short-wave.info, and they are broadcasting right now, and the S meter is S20. S20 over S0. I think that's what they say it. And it's booming in, and I tuned it about 20 minutes ago, which was about 8 o'clock in the morning here in Clearwater, Florida. I don't know what this is. It is definitely the frequency I used to listen to. It is shown in the schedule listing on short-wave.info as being one of the stations on that frequency, and it originates from a transmitter in China. I don't know. We've got some really strange weather going on here in Florida. Maybe that's causing it. I don't know, but that, let me see if they're not playing music. Yeah.
無論生活點樣，將佢攣嚟攣去，佢總仲係會冒出嚟。
That is definitely sounds like Chinese. And I'm going to monitor the station because they do broadcast in English several times a day. So if it'll hang in there, I'll see if I can hear something in English. Is this a sign of conditionings changing for shortwave radio? I know I've, like the doctor, who's a solar weather scientist, is saying that we have probably reached the solar minimum and things will start picking up, not right away, and occasionally they will be good. Again, it could be because of the local tropical depressions just off of Florida. That could be causing it. I don't know. But this is encouraging. Very encouraging. So we're going to listen to it and see what happens. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.